Welcome to the Franklin Whole Home Instructional Dolly video. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of the lifting dolly. You have the platform that holds the aPower, the drive chain for the platform, and the drill operated to raise and lower the platform. For extra security, there is a tie down. Before using the lifting dolly, it's crucial to inspect it for any damages or defects. Make sure the wheels and tie down strap are in good condition and that the drive chain smoothly operates. Now, let's move on to loading the dolly. Move the aPower onto the dolly platform. Make sure the weight is evenly distributed and centered to prevent tipping. One of the unique features of the lifting dolly is that it has a built-in ratcheting tie down. This will prevent it from shifting during transport. Carefully lower the aPower to the ground and set aside until the system is ready to be mounted. Once the aPower is secure, grip the handle firmly with both hands, keeping your back straight and using your legs to push the dolly forward. When maneuvering the dolly, be mindful of your surroundings and watch out for obstacles. Take your time and move slowly to avoid accidents. Once the aPower is ready to be mounted, carefully align the lifting dolly to the mounting bracket and lift the aPower to the needed height before removing the strap. Move the aPower forward to the mounting position and lower the platform until the aPower is firmly seated on the bracket. Lower and remove the dolly, then carry on with your installation. Now that you've seen this dolly in action, you can see how this dolly helps you save time and money on your aPower installations. Thanks for watching.